Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to delete Gmail search history. It's pretty simple, you can do it on your phone, so let's get started. Let's open the Gmail app. We tap the three lines at the top left. Now we scroll down till we see settings. Now general settings. Here, just tap on the three dots at the top right and clear search history. That will clear the history of the device, not of your entire Gmail search history. To delete the entire Gmail search history, just back. From here, tap Add your profile picture at the top right. Now manage your Google account. Here, select Data and Privacy. We scroll down, Web and App Activities. Here we scroll down, Manage all web and app activities. Now we scroll down. Here there is filter by data and product. So just tap on the delete button. Now select the range, for example, always. And now deselect all. And just select Gmail. Then tap on next. That's it.